Good morning, Sairam to all. Hope you're very well and fine at your places. Children, as we have done our previous topic, what was the previous topic? Yes, we have discussed the definitions like prime number, odd number, even number, composite number. Same way, today I am here with the same chapter, that is playing with numbers. This is your maths chapter number 3. Okay, I hope you all have done the fair notebook work in your fair notebook and you are practicing at home, and I hope you all will be able to do the questions when I will provide you. So keep on practicing and listen to your parents, stay at home. Okay, and so we are today I'm here with our that is exercise, that is 3.2. okay, first of all, before seeing this video, it is mandatory that you have to see your previous video of this chapter, because if you will not see that, you will not learn the definition, you will not able to do the exercises. Okay, so we are here to discuss our exercise, that is 3.2. okay, this is my first question, that is write the sum of any two odd numbers. Can you tell me? Write the sum of any two odd numbers. This is the first one, and second one is even numbers. Okay, so you have to write any two numbers and you have to add them, then the answer which you will get is must be a odd number. Okay. No, means the numbers which you will add, that must be a odd number. So first of all, tell me, what are odd numbers? Yes, tell me, what are odd numbers? Yes, right. What are odd numbers? If you don't know, you have to learn. Okay, odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, which are not divisible by 2. Like, can you take 2? No, 2 is not a odd number, because in the definition it is given that the numbers which are not divisible by 2, 2 is divisible by 2, 2 1 are 2. Yeah, so we have odd numbers like 3, 5, because these are the numbers, these are not divisible by 2, 7, 9. Okay, so here you have to write the sum of any two odd numbers. Like I am taking odd number here 3, another odd number I am taking 5. So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. You can take any number, but it should be odd. It should be odd. Now we proceed for the second one, that is even numbers. What are even numbers? Yes, even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Which are divisible by 2. So if I am telling that divisible by 2, it means it could be the table of 2, and the numbers that if the table ends at 2 times 20. Okay, so after that the number which you will get, if it is divisible by 2, it means it is a even number. Okay, so I am taking any two odd even numbers like 2 plus 4, both are even numbers. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Same way you can take any even numbers. If you are taking 6 plus 8, so 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14. This was the question and that was the solution. Now we proceed for the next question, that is, write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. See, you have to write down two things. One, you have to write down the prime numbers. One, you have to write down the composite number, but it should be less than, it should be less than 20. Okay, it means 20 is greater and the number should be less than 20. It means prime number that should be less than 20. So the prime number begins with 2. What are prime numbers? Can you tell me? You should know. That's why I am telling that watch the previous video. Prime numbers are those numbers which has the only two factor. It means simple, you can say which is divisible by 1, because 1 is the factor of every number, and which is divisible by its table itself. If it means it comes in the table of itself number only. If I am talking about 2 comes in the table of 2 only, not in others table. So 2 is a prime number. Same way 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 you cannot take, 9 you cannot take, because it comes in the table of 9 and 3 also. 8 comes in the table of 2 and 8 also. You can take 11, 13, 14 you cannot take, 15 you cannot take, 16 you cannot take, 18 you cannot take, then 19. These are prime numbers which comes in the table of themselves only, itself only. Okay. Now we proceed for the composite number. Composite numbers are those numbers which comes in the table of 1, in the table of themselves, and in the table of others. It means it has 3 factors. So smallest composite number will be 4. I repeat, smallest composite number will be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, then after 12 what will come? 14, then after 14, 16, 18. Okay, because these are the numbers which comes in the table of others also and theirs also. Okay, I hope you all have got. If you will learn the definition, you will be able to know. I repeat, composite numbers are those numbers which has 3 factors. It means they comes in the table of 1. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 तो होगा ही होगा. एक वो 1 के टेबल में जाएंगे, एक वो अपने ही टेबल में जाएंगे, और एक वो थर्ड जो फैक्टर होगा वो दूसरों के टेबल में भी जा सकेंगे. तो इट मीन्स दैट विल बी द नंबर विल बी कंपोजिट नंबर. स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर इज 4. So these are the numbers which are less than 20. Now we proceed for the third question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? It is asking what is the greatest prime number. It means it is asking highest prime number. So prime number starts from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because it is asking up to 10. So what will be the answer? Our answer will be 7. 7 is, our answer will be 7. 7 is the greatest prime number which is between 1 and 10. Understood? Now we proceed for the next. Express the following as the sum of 2 odd primes. What are odd primes? Odd primes means the numbers which are prime also and odd also. It means, okay class, in our previous video I have told you that except 2 2, rest of the numbers in prime numbers are odd numbers. It means write prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, 15. Okay, ये prime number हो गए. Now comes the odd number. What are odd numbers? 3, because it doesn't comes in the table of 2. 7, 11, 13, 15. Okay, but 2 is not the 2 is prime number, but 2 is not the odd number. It means except 2, all the numbers which are prime are odd numbers. Okay, so here you have to write down the sum of two odd primes, and it should come, the solution should come 44 and 36. So this is the solution we have. We have taken 3. 3 is also odd number and prime number. We have taken 41. It is also odd number and also a prime number. Okay, so solution will be 41 plus 3 will be 44. You can take any number, but the thing is it should be odd and it should be prime, and the sum should be 44. Same way we have 36. For 36 we have 5 is also odd number and a prime number. 31 is also odd number and a prime number. So it will be 31 plus 5 is 36. Okay, it is 36. So we have our next question. Which of the following numbers are prime? From these 4 numbers you have to find which is the prime number. It means it is divisible by itself only. You take 23. 23 is a number which doesn't come in others table. So 23 is a prime number. Okay, I take 51. 51 is divided by 3. See, 3 1 ja 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 will be down. 3 7 ja 21. So 51 is not a prime number. Only 23 is a prime number. 51 is not a prime number. Now comes the 26. 26 is a even number because 26 is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So it is divisible, but 37 is not a even number. It is a prime number. Okay, it is a prime number. So it is a prime number. So our answer will be 23 is a prime number and 37 is also a prime number. Now next question is, write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, it means you have to write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. It means it is a choice that you have to select from less than 20 only. And whose sum is, it means जब आप उनको add करो, अगर मान लो add करके if you are getting 10, तो it must be divisible by 5. Okay, it means if you have to take the number, first priority is you have to take the numbers less than 20. सबसे पहले वो number लेने which are less than 20. Now the second option is that the sum which you will get, it should be divisible by 5. It means if you are getting the answer 20, if you are getting the answer 10, if you are getting the answer 15, it should be divisible by 5. Okay, now I have taken 2 prime numbers here, that is 3 and 7. Both are prime numbers. If I am adding these 2 numbers, I am getting 10. Okay, I am getting 10 and 10 is divisible by 5. The condition is fulfilled. Okay, condition is fulfilled. Now if I am taking the two prime numbers, that is 5 plus, yes tell me, prime numbers, if I am taking 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. Is it divisible by 5? No, it is wrong then. Condition is wrong for it. Now if I am taking 5 plus 5. Now tell me what is 5 plus 5? Yes, 5 plus 5 is 10 and both the numbers are prime. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and the condition fulfilled that it is divisible by 5. Condition is also fulfilled. So you have to take like this number. So we have here, this I have already told you that two prime number, that is 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 is divisible by 5. They have taken here 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. It means 5 is divisible by 5. So condition is fulfilled. Here they have taken two prime numbers, that is 7 and 13. 7 plus 13 is 20 and 20 is divisible by 5. So 20 is divisible by 5. So condition is fulfilled. Now we proceed for the next. We have fill-ups here. 1 is neither dash nor dash. Yes, tell me what will come. Yes, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor it is a composite number. The smallest prime number is, tell me which is the smallest prime number. Prime number starts from 2. So smallest क्या होगा? 2. The smallest even number is, yes tell me. Yes, the smallest even number is also 2. The smallest composite number is, it means it is divisible by itself also and others number also, that the smallest number will be 4. I have discussed here today. A number which has only two factors, that is yes, that is prime number, right? That is prime numbers. Now we proceed for the next. State true and false. 2 is the only even prime number. Tell me. 2 is the only even and prime number. But say yes, tell me. 2 is a even number. Yes, right. 2 is a prime number. Yes, right. It is true. All prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd. No, because 2 is here a even number, so it is a false. Okay, the sum of 3 odd numbers is even. You can take any odd numbers, like odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. Is 15 a even number? No, so the statement is false. Statement is false. Now question number 9. Tell me which is the smallest prime number which is even also. Okay, tell me prime number starts from 2 and smallest even number is also 2. So the answer will be 2. Okay. Now we have twin primes. What are twin primes? Two prime numbers, कोई से भी any two prime numbers whose difference is 2. It means if you are having two prime numbers and if you subtract these two prime numbers, you have the difference 2. Like I am taking prime numbers. If I have 2, 3, 7, 5, these are the prime numbers. If I am taking any two prime numbers and I am subtracting, if I am getting 2 as an answer solution, it means they are the twin prime numbers. See, you can take these two numbers. If you subtract 5 from 7, you will get 2. So the difference here, the condition is that difference should come 2. Okay, so that will be termed as twin primes. Here we have one question. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Okay, so here I have already told you that you have to take two prime numbers, and if you will subtract any two prime number, if your solution is coming 2, it means that are twin primes. If I am taking 3 and 5, when you will subtract these two numbers, 5 minus 3, you will get 2. Same way for this and same way for these prime numbers. Okay. Now class, I hope you all have understood our today's exercise. If you will practice at home, you will definitely got all the points whichever I have taught today. So it is your duty that you have to solve some questions regarding today's video, today's topic, and you have to prepare yourself. Okay, this is the homework. You have to define the following with examples. You have to define twin primes. You have to write what is the sum of any two odd numbers, even numbers, which smallest number is even, which is the smallest composite numbers. This I have taught today. So it is your duty, you have to practice this and note down in your rough notebook and practice. Okay, yes, hope you all will do this and listen to me. So we will meet in our next video. So take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Sai Ram.